Welcome to channel. Today we will learn about dropshipping model. What is dropshipping model? Dropshipping is a popular business model on Amazon that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without the need for inventory management or upfront investment in stock. In this model, the seller acts as a middleman between the customer and the supplier, facilitating the purchase and shipping process. In this video, we will explore the dropshipping model on Amazon step by step. Step 1. Select a niche. The first step in starting a dropshipping business on Amazon is to choose a niche or product category that you want to focus on. Conduct market research to identify products with high demand and low competition. Look for products that have a healthy profit margin and are lightweight and easy to ship. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. Once you have identified your niche, the next step is to find reliable suppliers who will fulfill the orders on your behalf. Look for suppliers with a good track record, positive customer reviews, and competitive pricing. Popular platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, Walmart, Sam's Club, Costco, Home Depot and Sale who can be valuable resources for finding suppliers. Contact multiple suppliers and compare their prices, shipping options, and product quality before making a decision. Step 3. Set up an Amazon seller account. To start dropshipping on Amazon, you need to create a seller account. There are two types of seller accounts on Amazon: individual and professional. The individual account is suitable for beginners and has a pay-per-sale fee structure, while the professional account requires a monthly subscription fee but offers additional features and benefits. Step 4. Product listing and optimization. After setting up your seller account, you need to create product listings for the items you want to sell. Write compelling and keyword-rich product titles, descriptions, and bullet points to optimize your listings for search engines and attract potential customers. Use high-quality product images and include relevant keywords to improve visibility. Step 5. Pricing strategy. Setting the right price is crucial for dropshipping success. Consider factors such as product cost, shipping fees, marketplace fees, and your desired profit margin. Research your competitors' prices and adjust your pricing strategy accordingly. Keep in mind that pricing too high may deter customers, while pricing too low may erode your profit margin. Step 6. Order management. When a customer places an order on Amazon, you receive a notification. At this point, you need to forward the order details to your supplier, along with the customer's shipping address. The supplier will then handle the packaging and shipping process directly to the customer. Ensure clear communication with your suppliers and establish efficient order management systems to track orders and ensure timely delivery. Step 7. Customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building a successful dropshipping business on Amazon. Be responsive to customer inquiries and address any concerns promptly. Stay proactive in resolving issues related to shipping, returns, and product quality. Positive reviews and customer satisfaction will help build your reputation and drive future sales. Step 8. Marketing and promotion. While Amazon provides a massive customer base, it's essential to implement marketing strategies to stand out from the competition. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your product listings. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords to improve organic visibility on Amazon's search results. Step 9. Analyze and optimize. Regularly analyze your sales data, customer feedback, and market trends to identify areas for improvement. Optimize your product offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies based on the insights gained. Use Amazon's built-in analytics tools or consider third-party software solutions to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. Step 10. Scale your business. Once you establish a profitable dropshipping business on Amazon, you can consider scaling your operations. Expand your product range, diversify your supplier base, and explore additional marketplaces. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.